Okay, so we're on Jalan Dewi Sri 3. That's Sunset Road right there, the big BCA bank. Go through there to the main Dewi Sri. This is Dewi Sri 3. There's the main Dewi Sri and 1, 2, 3 as well. It's called BINTANG LIMA. I'm going to come in and check it out. So it's a little warung. Oh yeah, they've got an air conditioned room down the back. Hello. Alright, so that looked good, so I'm going to get that. The bakmi ayam pangsit. Okay, so this is the menu. You got bakmi ayam jamur, which is mushroom. I'm getting this bakmi ayam pangsit, which is like dumplings with it. You can get hind and chicken and babur ayam, which is like rice porridge. And yeah, so it's all soups, noodles and stuff like that. Yeah, bakso, different types of bakso. Okay. Simple menu, and we'll try it out. I think Yuli might be getting the hind and chicken, and I'm getting the bakmi ayam pangsit. Okay, so you order here first and pay, and then you sit down and they bring the food. So it's not like you wait for them to come and serve you. You go straight to the counter and order. So it was 93,000. That was for 2 meals, and I got 2 drinks, and Yuli got 1 drink. Right, so you can get your own little condiments. We've got some green chilli, pickled green chilli, and sambal. Okay, so you can pick your own sambals and chilli. I got chilli oil sambal. What's that? What's this one? Alright. Right, so you can get your own like spring onions and things like that. So there's different condiments you can pick here. Thank you. Okay, so this is it. So you get your noodles and your meat and your veggies and your pangsit, which is, this is pangsit, it's like a dumpling separate, and you just pour your soup over the top. We'll try a bit without the soup. You can tell they're not little packet noodles, they're homemade noodles. Not too bad. I don't mind eating the noodles dry. So it's got a bit of bok choy or something like that with it. A bit of spinach. Alright, so now we'll mix a bit of the soup with the noodles. We'll try that out. They give you a fair bit of soup. So try the pangsit out, the dumpling. It's very good, fresh. So it's probably about 30,000, I think, a dish, which is less than $3. So it's pretty good because it's not just packet noodles, you know. The noodles are good. You can tell they're fresh, homemade. There's a fair bit of chicken meat in it as well. Alright, I'm going to hook in. From over there before, you got your little condiments you can pick. These are like spring onions, and put a bit of that in it. These are like little mini pastry croutons sort of things. Make it a bit crunchy. Very good. Nice, isn't it?
Garlic oil.
Drink a bit of the soup. It's like a chicken stock soup. It's very good. Tasty by itself, just the soup as well. So the soup is really good. It's very, it's just full on chicken stock, you know, and it's got a lot of white pepper in it, which gives it just a nice taste. Not too much, just right. So yeah, for noodles, if you want noodles, yeah, this is definitely really good. So you really got the flat noodles, and they're not like big flat ones like Quetio. It's sort of small, very small flat noodles. And stole a bit of hers, put in mine, and hers is the chicken and mushroom. There's a lot of mushroom through it as well. So they also do shoppy food here, probably grabbing that as well. It's really busy. There's just people coming and going. I'm the only Westerner here, you know. It's busy with the locals, it's good. And this place is pretty busy. Okay, try it out. Family night out. Got Mercer, Yuli, little Kenzo, and Tafty. Yuli's nephew, and we're here at the Mantra. I did a video on this about January 2025, so over a year ago. So anyway, I'm here, so I'm going to film it. This is the mantra. It's off Sunset Road. I'll leave a Google Maps link in the description. So it's nice in here. There's plenty of seats. There's a big cover over there where you can sit under cover in case it rains. Out here and in there as well, inside and aircon. But we normally sit outside, so we'll see.
4 kids buat adiknya, 1 chicken parmigiana, 1 beef carbonara, 1 udang cabai garam, less bumbu. Sudah benar semua?
Thank you. All right.
Ya, boleh sayang.
Check out Kenzo. We got him locked in the baby chair so he can't escape. What do you know, mate? Yeah.
Oh, I want monster.
You gonna count for us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
7,
Yeah. What about 9 and 10?
9, 10.
Yeah, good boy. You can already count in English and Indonesian. 3, 4.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeay. Pintar.
Punya potong lagi.
Yes, ini ada kak boy. Cukur rambut.
Dari dulu waktu datang pipis.
The size of them for a jumbo full pint glass.
Nih.
Hi, Parmigiana. Thank you. Alright, check that out for a palmy.
Dalamnya besar.
Look at the size of the fried rice. It's bigger than you, Kenzo. Alright.
Sebentar, pasta.
Mana cendol?
Next I got grilled chicken. And Yuli gets nothing because being a bad girl. Alright, already eaten the chips. Try this palmy.
Jam berapa? Oh, masih lama.
Not too bad. It's not just tomato sauce, it's a proper like pasta sauce or bolognese sauce on it. And mozzarella cheese, yeah. Not too bad. Really got udang cabai garam. It's like prawns with chili and salt. Salted prawns and chili, yeah. Not too bad. There's a lot of prawns and a lot of chili on it. So the salad's pretty good too. Got a bit of tomato, cucumber, lettuce, red and green lettuce. With like a balsamic vinegar or something, I don't know, and lemon juice. Good stuff, Kenzo. So Tapti got the beef carbonara. Alright. It's not pasta, it's just spaghetti, yeah? A bit of Yuli's cabai garam, prawns. Nice, aren't they?
They're not come with shell.
Oh, it's spicy. Yeah. Bit too spicy, but not too bad.
Nice. Dari tak masuk.
I got Kenzo's rice takeaway, so it was about 400,000. Yeah, 35, 36 bucks or something. For all that, 4 meals, and Kenzo's meal, 5 meals, yeah. And drinks. The mantra.
Dekat-dekat rokok.